Hi, I'm Miss Jen from Chandler Public Library, and today we're going to be making these fabulous friendship bracelets. Okay, step one, you're going to get 4 pieces of embroidery thread. Choose whatever colors you like. I went with earth tones here, and you're going to cut about an arm's length, and then you're going to fold it in half. Next up, you're going to tie a knot there at the very top, and it'll look like that. All right, next we're going to get some tape, and you're going to tape down your little knot there. Tape it down to a table, a board, or you can use a clipboard also. And then you're going to organize your thread. Okay, so we got our threads nice and separated and flat. And the first step is we're going to do a square knot. But you're going to use this first string to go all the way across with each individual thread. And you're going to do the number 4 like this, and it goes under, and then you pull, 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 nice and tight, and you do that one more time. So it's 2 knots for each string, and you put that away, and you grab your next string. Remember, you're still using that one, that same color, and you're going to do 2 knots. And you're going to go all the way across. Alright, so when you're done, it'll have a pattern like this. This is the stripe one. It's not as wide because I only used 5 threads on this one. This one's a little wider because I used like 8 threads, so it's wider. And you can add a charm to your bracelet. I added a little flower there, and I made 2 knots at the end, and then tied that at the end. And you can make all sorts of colors and just have fun with it. And you can keep them or give them as gifts. What'd you think? Pretty easy, huh? This DIY can be made by anyone. It just takes some time and getting used to. Host a craft night with friends and family. And you can always find more resources at chandlerlibrary.org. Happy crafting!